Alright guys, so in today's video we're gonna talk about the Rode NT. It's a USB microphone from Rode. It's been 3 months I've been using it. In this video we'll unbox it. I'll tell you my experience and we'll even compare it. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the Rode NT, a USB microphone from Rode. I've been using this microphone from like a couple months now. I have used Comica before and other microphones as well. I switched to this one and it has been great. When you unbox it, you get few things in the box. I will quickly unbox it right here and then I will get to the stuff you get in the box. The packaging is pretty good. The reason I switched was the quality. This one has its own downsides which I'll talk about later in this video, but overall it's very good. So inside the box you get the carrying case. I don't know why you need one, maybe someone needs it. With that, a tripod, a USB cable to connect it, and the Rode microphone itself. The microphone even has 2 knobs to control the microphone and the volume. It even has a Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect that through via Bluetooth as well. It's a very good build quality. I really like that. There are downsides of it, but overall it's very good. If I talk about the downsides, what happens is that this one has to be very close to your face, right by the mouth, nor it will not pick up the good quality audio, whereas the other ones were. But when the other ones used to pick up the quality of it, the problem was that it was actually a lot of other things, like other background noise was also capturing, and that was bad because I have kids, they make noise, they're upstairs obviously, but still it can impact it, and then that way you just lose all the quality of it. And after that, when you go and check your recording and you were like, oh god, what was this? So this was one of the main reasons I looked up, and this was the right one for me. The quality of the audio recording you get, the results are awesome. Literally, I was shocked at how good this is when you're editing the video, when you can adjust the pitch and all that stuff in the post-production. It is just good. It is easy, it is convenient, and I'm really down for this. I am not regretting 100% that this is the best microphone I ever owned from the 4 I have used previously. This whole video was recorded on the Rode NT, and you can judge. You can take your decision, you can see how good it is. I'm not gonna adjust anything. This is the raw recording and I'm gonna post it like this, and then you will be able to see if it's worth for it. I paid like 169 Canadian plus taxes on this one. Came out to be like $180-ish. I think it's a little up there, but it's pretty good. When you are investing, my thing is that invest in the good thing. Will last you forever. You will not regret it. There's not so much things you gotta fix it or adjust it. It should just work. When you pay, it should just work, and that's what I did. I do it for all the things what I buy, and I have a lot of things to cover. It's just the time, but I am putting my all the efforts right here. I have lots of shorts uploaded. Please go check that out on my channel, and please support the channel, and I would really appreciate that. Alright, now let's compare this Rode NT USB microphone with the other microphones I have. And this is me talking from the Logitech Blue Yeti USB microphone, and this is how the Logitech's Blue Yeti sounds like. And here me speaking from the Comica C1, the lavalier microphone, and this is how the Comica C1 sounds like. And this is me talking from the Comica CVM V30 Pro microphone, and this is how the Comica CVM V30 Pro sounds like. And now I'm back on the Rode NT. You decide, you be the judge. Let me know which one was the best. For my perspective, I think overall what I needed for video recording, for voiceover, the Rode NT is the best one so far. Has its own perks, has its own downsides, but nothing is perfect. But this is so far what I think is close to perfect for what I need, or what anyone who wants to record audio like a voiceover or something is. But it's still on you. If you have some questions about the Rode NT or the other microphones I compared in this video, please comment down below and I will 100% reply back. With that, if you have other questions, let me know in a comment below as well. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and I will see you around.